How to link a bank account to your PayPal. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to link a bank account to your PayPal step by step. Let's get started. First, open the PayPal app on your phone. On the home screen, tap on Wallet. Here, tap on it. This is where you manage your cards and bank accounts. Here you can see add credit cards right here. Okay, tap on it. Now you can see banks and debit and credit cards. Now if you need to add your bank account, simply tap on these banks. And you can see link your bank on our website right here. Now you can tap and go to our website. Okay, now as you enter your mobile number, tap on next. Now enter your password. Once you enter your password, tap on login. Now tap on continue. You can continue or you can just skip it. Okay, now sign in. Now here, once you are on their website, tap on this three horizontal line at the top left and you can see wallet right here. Tap on it. Now once you tap on wallet, you will see link a new card. Now tap on link card. It may take some time, just wait for a few minutes. Now here you can enter your card number and enter the CVV. Now once you enter it, tap on link card. In this way your bank account will be linked, and that's it. Your bank account is now linked to PayPal, so you can send money. If this tutorial helped, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.